It takes a village to create a comic book. Stories are meant to be shared with one another, with fellow creatives and readers. I like it here in the interim is rooted from how fleeting life is and that I don't know how long I would be living. I want to keep creating with urgency because life is too short. So that's ultimately the lesson and inspiration behind I like it here in the interim. It makes it more meaningful, our talents and our art. It makes it more meaningful if we do it for others, for the communities we care about. That's actually a good motivation to keep producing work that matters not only for us but also for other people as well. I think my process includes 4 things. And from there, I'm going to ask some questions. Kunwari, this one cat, saan siya galing? Ano yung mga napagdaanan na niya? Ano yung naging journey niya? Connect the dots and then make them make sense na parang may story na meron ng beginning, end, may conflict, may resolution. So, collaboration is very much needed. It takes a village to create a comic book or any other book naman. We don't know everything, so we need to ask help from each other. We should be open to collaboration with each other. Kasi we can create in a vacuum or in isolation. Stories are meant to be shared with one another, with fellow creatives and readers. Very excited daw for Peacock. It's my first Peacock na matendan, at least in person. Yung marami bang stories na kailangan gawin. So, nakaka-inspire na magkasama-sama sa isang space. So, yun, very excited for Peacock. Very important event talaga. yung actual drawing. yung actual drawing mo talagang hirap. Tapos may coloring, may layout. It's the stress that I want to experience. Yes po, happy stress. Talagang creating stories po talaga kahit sa anong format. Pwedeng comics, books na talagang fiction book stories. Talagang hahanapan lang natin ng anggulo. Tapos magtatanong-tanong lang tayo, magko-connect lang natin po.